Guys, what's up? My name is Hanzala, you guys are watching Dirt, and today in this video we are going to talk about Motorola G5G smartphone. Should you consider buy or you should skip with the smartphone? So let's begin the video. It has a specialty, guys. It has stock Android experience in the Motorola. It doesn't have any types of ad, any types of Bluetooth and many things. Talking about the specification, guys, it has got 6.67 inch Full HD plus HDR10 support display, and wideband L1 has not confirmed by the company, guys, and I think it has wideband L1 support as well. Moving on to the next, guys, it's processor. So well, guys, they have your Snapdragon 750G smartphone, and it is the India's first smartphone to come with Snapdragon 750G. And for 5G they are using a separate modem. Well, that's a different thing, but it has Core 570 GPU, so you can check it out, the performance. If you need any reference so that you can get the idea how its GPU and CPU performs, so you can take many of these smartphone, guys, which chipsets are 720G, 730G, 732G. These all are similar processors, guys, which are based on 8nm technology. So moving on to the next, it has 5000 mAh battery with 20-watt fast charging. So 20-watt fast charging, it's a bit of low, but I think they can improve, and I'm like a bit of disappointed. So moving on to the next, its storage, guys, it offers only one variant, which is 6GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, which is UFS 2.1 storage, and RAM is LPDDR4X RAM. And I felt they have to provide 256 GB storage as well, because, guys, they have a hybrid SIM slot. It means that you can set one SIM card and one memory card, if not two SIM cards at once. You can't use two SIM cards, one memory card together. So the next is in front they have provided 60 megapixel of selfie camera, and it's a good camera. And still, guys, nobody has reviewed it very deeply, so that I can say you how is it camera according to the price. So I will try to make another video of it if it possible. So next is, guys, it's weight. So, guys, it has a 210 grams of weight, guys, and it's a fat and a bit of bulky. So you might feel it's a bulky smartphone, and single hand usage you will feel some difficulties in using the day-to-day life. So it has kept the price point of the 2,999 rupees. Well, if you use the HDFC card, you will get this smartphone around 19,999 rupees. So talking about the cons, guys, so the first con which I felt in the camera, guys, in this year Motorola has launched many types of cameras, but still, guys, they have not gone to a better camera team. I don't know why their camera team is not working on their cameras. Well, they can serve the best camera quality which the sensors they are providing. And yeah, guys, that's what it felt. And the one more catch here is 64 megapixel camera, guys. So well, guys, in India 64 megapixel cameras are trending, and I know, guys, the pixels are not the output reasons. Then too, guys, we can get some more details with the pixels. So this is the one catch which I thought let me share with you guys. So second thing is battery. So well, guys, 5000 mAh battery is a good battery, guys. Well, the weight they are providing, no, in that weight, less than that weight, Samsung Galaxy M51 is providing 7000 mAh battery, and it has just 5000 mAh battery, and its weight is 210 grams, whereas Samsung Galaxy M51 has 190 grams of weight. So next is, guys, its display. So well guys, it has a 60 Hz of display, whereas other competitors of this smartphone has a 90 Hz of display with AMOLED, such as OnePlus Nord and Samsung Galaxy M51. And that's all guys. And talking about the main conclusion is here is guys, if you need app-free experience, no Bluetooth, and if you wanted to experience the stock Android, then itself you can go and buy this smartphone. And in terms of 5G guys, you can take it as a bonus or a bonus just because it has a modem. All types 5 to 6 types of modems are there. I mentioned it here, so you can read it out. So this is our feature for smartphone guys. If no matters which bandwidth comes in India for 5G, it can run in all the bandwidths. So that's all in this video guys. I hope you like this video, and if you have liked, make sure you have subscribed to my channel. Make sure you have hit the like button, and I will meet you in my next one. Goodbye.